Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm sure you must have seen it in the description already. I'm going to be doing another unboxing in this video, and what I'm going to be unboxing is this Hansik kit that was provided by the Korean Food Promotion Institute through the Korean Cultural Center, Nigeria. First of all, before I do this unboxing video, I'm sure you guys must have been wondering that where do you guys get these gifts from? How do you get access to Korean related products or Korean promotional materials? I'm going to answer that quickly before I go into unboxing what is inside here. Well, KCCN is the Korean Cultural Center, Nigeria, and they are kind of like in charge of organizing Korean related events, activities, and if you do not know about them, they are based in Abuja and they have online platforms on Instagram, Facebook. You can check them up online there's a website. But one question I get asked is, how do I get this free product sometimes that I unbox or I showcase? And the answer to that is it's through Korean Cultural Center, it's through KCCN. One of the ways you can get these free Korean related materials is by interacting and engaging with their activities or their events, participating in everything that they do. And then the second one is through the Hadi Creators Program. So the Hadi Creators Program is a program that is for Korean enthusiasts in Nigeria that are interested in creating contents for the Korean Cultural Center, and all you have to do is just to apply whenever the application comes out, and once you get selected as an Hadi creator, you get to create contents for the Korean Cultural Center, and you also get access to review and get gifts like this. You can stay updated on the Korean Cultural Center's pages and try to follow up the activities and events. So yeah, that's that about that, and I'm going to go right into unboxing this. For this Hansik kit, this is actually the second time that we'll be getting Hansik kits from Korea, and although this one is kind of smaller than the one that we're given the other time, but it's kind of similar to the foods that were shared there. So yeah, coincidentally, this is also from the Korean Cultural Center. I think I got this as a gift during the Korean food fest that we had in Ibadan. Yeah, so yeah, this is a manicure and pedicure set, and I'm just going to be pulling out a scissors to use from here. Okay, so unboxing time. By the way, this is actually not for sale, so this is supposed to be a free product. Is definitely not for sale, just in case you see anyone online trying to sell this to you or something. It's free. All right, that is the job. Wow. Okay, this is what it looks like. There's a recipe book inside. As you can see, it has the information about the foods that are inside this box and how to prepare them, what you need, the ingredients you need, the ingredients that are available inside the box, and the ingredients that you need to get. I've not gone through this particular one, but I feel like it's going to be the same with the other one that we're doing the other time. But yeah, this is the recipe book. And then this is a box that has three, as it is written here. This is three. It has three boxes of different Korean foods. So for the first one, this is the popular tteokbokki. I'm so happy that this is actually inside this, because from the knowledge that I have, not from knowledge, obviously from the previous Hansik kits that were given, it was 12 different foods that was inside, and for this one is a bit smaller than the other one, and the foods are actually kind of shuffled, so what is inside one box might be different from what is inside the other box. So this is very exciting for me actually. So this is tteokbokki. If you don't know tteokbokki and you watch K-dramas, is that even possible? So this is one, and then the second one is kimchi don. I have a friend that really loves this, and it's so weird because the first time I tried kimchi don, it was a bit off, as per kind of tasted bland, but the more I ate it, I was like, okay, this is actually a very nice one. So yeah, this is kimchi john. Kimchi john is kimchi pancake basically. I'm happy for this one too. And the third one, ooh, wow. So one thing I like about this particular one during the last time that we made it, two things actually. Number one, the fact that it is bulgogi. Bulgogi is like beef. I love it. And there's this glass noodles that is also inside. I honestly can't wait to try this again. This was I think my second favorite out of the 12 dishes that we had to cook. Then this was my second favorite, and guys, this is like really nice. If you've not had or if you've not tasted Korean glass noodles before, usually the glass noodles they use it to cook japchae, but if you taste it with this particular recipe, this particular dish, it's amazing. Anyways, this is the third one, and as you can see, that's all. So yeah, I have tteokbokki, I have kimchi don, and I have tteokbokki bulgogi, and I honestly can't wait to like cook all these dishes. That's all for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it, like, and drop your comments on, you know, if you have questions on how to go about applying for the other thing I talked about, or you know, engaging in Korean cultural centers activities. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.